In this tutorial, we'll focus on how to create a benchmark. Adding benchmark information increases and deepens nearly any story that you're telling your audience. This tiny bit of extra detail in a graph answers the first set of questions readers are likely to ask about the data. Compared to what? The stories that can be told include the first 2 months did not meet our quarterly targets. Here is our team compared to the company overall norm. Our click rate was 25%, while the industry standard is 4%. Adding a benchmark line to a graph is easy. First, highlight the range of data. Then go to Insert and across to the Charts section. Here go to the column icon and click on Clustered Column. Then right-click on the target column and select Change Series Chart Type. In the Change Chart Type menu, change the chart type for Target to Line and click OK. There is one more thing you can do. Ideally, you want the target line to extend all the way across all columns. To extend the benchmark line fully across the graph, let's add more data to the spreadsheet. Insert a new row above January and 12,000. Drag May's target down by 2 cells. Right-click into the Revenue column. You'll see the original data is highlighted in red, purple, and blue. Put your mouse on the blue squares and drag them up and down. Do the same for the purple square. Then right-click into the target line. Again, you can see the original data. Put your mouse on the blue square and pull it down. You can see the target line extended across all columns. All that's left is a bit of formatting. Remove the target legend and remove the grid lines. Add a data label to one point of the line so it says Target. Click on Series Name, unclick Value, unclick Show Leader Lines. X out. Move the box above the line and change the font color to orange to match your target line. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can get updates when new videos come out.